I'm so excited to share this recipe with you because who doesn't love chocolate and coffee together? Except you've never tried it before. Hello Sweet Fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Bosse. And on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your chocolate and coffee ice cream from the comfort of your home. Let's get right into it. These are the ingredients we're going to use. That's our chocolate, this is our condensed milk, our cooking cream, and our powder whipped cream, and our Nescafe coffee. So in a small bowl, you're just going to get out the quantity you want to use. That's the quantity of the coffee you want to use, and you're just going to pour it inside the bowl and add water to it. This way you're just going to allow it to dissolve until it's time to make use of it. So I'm just trying to make sure it's dissolved properly. Now bring out your bowl, let's get right into it. A cup of our powder whipped cream. I'm also going to add a cup of our cooking cream, then cold water in order for you to get a very fluffy and very nice ice cream. Your water has to be cold. That's if you are using the powder one. Bring out your hand mixer, let's start whipping to perfection. So we're just going to whip this until it's fluffy and also double in size, and I whipped this consistency for just 3 minutes until I got the desire that I wanted, and this is how it looks like. After 3 minutes, I've gotten to the consistency that I want. Time for us to add our other ingredients. So we're just going to add our coffee to this, our dissolved coffee. We're just going to add it to it, and we're just going to use our spatula or our mixer to mix this. But you don't want to over mix this, or else it's going to turn to butter, and we don't want that. Also, we're also going to add a cup of our condensed milk to this, and we're also going to mix until it is well and properly combined together. Next step, we're going to add our diced chocolate inside, and we're also going to mix this again. Bring out your bowl, and we're just going to turn inside just like this. And we're going to use our spoon to make sure it is smooth, just like that. We're just going to cover it and put it in the freezer for just 5 hours or more, depending on how you want it. I really don't like it when my ice cream is too frozen, because that way it's difficult to scoop. This consistency is very okay for me, so I'm just going to scoop this. And this is what we have. So I'm just going to add extra chocolate as toppings to it and then serve. So tell me, my Sweet Fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag us when you do that. Do not forget to watch our other videos to learn how to make easy and different recipe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.